Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Annie. So, today we are going to do reading for the day and see what kind of energies we might come across or deal with. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. Okay, so let's see what do the cards have for the day. Okay. Okay. So today's energy is about, you will be having, a lack of clarity. Basically I can say there will be subconscious fears जो आपको किसी डिसीजन या किसी कंक्लूजन में नहीं आने देगा. ओके, किसी भी तरह का फियर हो सकता है, पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस, पास्ट ट्रॉमास, जो आपको किसी भी चीज़ का कंक्लूजन नहीं लेने देगा. किसी भी चीज़ का अगर आपको डिसीजन लेना है तो आपको वो डिसीजन लेने में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा. इट्स लाइक आपका माइंड कुछ और बोल रहा है, आपका योर हार्ट इज सेइंग समथिंग एल्स and you won't be able to clearly decide what do you really want to do. Okay, so all you have to do is try to do some meditation, drink a lot of water, keep yourself hydrated, and spend some time in silence with yourself. Okay, no music, no phone, no calls, anything. Just keep yourself away from the distraction, from social media, from noise, from unnecessary crowds, arguments. Just try to protect your peace and connect with yourself. Okay, then you will be able to get some clarity on what you need to do. अगर आपको कोई important decision लेना है and if you can wait, then try not to take it for today and just try to connect with yourself. Okay, so that is what the energy we have for today, guys. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.